Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech, your go-to spot for everything happening in the world of tech. So, if you've been thinking about getting that premium Samsung experience without going all out on a flagship, this one's going to catch your attention. We've got some fresh leaks on the Galaxy S25 FE, and let me tell you, it looks like Samsung is cooking up something interesting this time around. Now, this isn't some massive overhaul, but rather a fine-tuned upgrade that focuses on areas that actually matter. And honestly, some of the updates are pretty exciting, especially if battery life and display quality are important to you. Let's start with the display. A recent leak from TechManiacs, highlighted by Gadgets Data, suggests that the Galaxy S25 FE could finally be getting LTPO display technology. If you're not familiar, LTPO allows your screen's refresh rate to adjust dynamically. So that 120Hz display? It could drop all the way down to 1 Hz when showing something static. That means way better battery efficiency, without compromising that smooth scrolling and responsiveness we all love. Speaking of battery life, there's more good news. Rumor has it that Samsung is bumping the battery up to 4,900 mAh, compared to 4,700 mAh in the S24 FE. Pair that with the LTPO screen, and we might see some seriously improved screen on time. And on top of that, charging speeds might get a major upgrade too, possibly jumping to 45W fast charging over USB-C, which would be a huge improvement from the 25W we've seen on current models. In terms of design, the S25 FE is expected to be a little thinner and lighter than its predecessor. We're looking at around 7.8mm thickness and 190 grams. Compare that to the S24 FE, which was about 8mm and 213 grams, it might not seem like a big shift on paper, but in hand, especially for one-handed use, it could feel noticeably more comfortable. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to go with the Exynos 2400 chip, not to be confused with the 2400E from the previous generation. This new chip should deliver better overall performance and stronger AI and gaming capabilities, at least if early benchmarks are to be believed. As for the cameras, it looks like we won't see any dramatic changes on the back, but the selfie camera might get a small upgrade, going from 10 megapixels to 12 megapixels. It's not groundbreaking, but it's a nice touch for those who care about front-facing shots. Now for the launch window, rumors point to a release between September and October. So we're just a few months away from seeing this phone in action. All things considered, the Galaxy S25 FE seems like a solid refinement. You're getting better display tech, improved battery life, a lighter build, potentially faster charging, and better performance overall. But the big question still remains, will Samsung get the pricing right? Because if they do, this could be the go-to phone for anyone wanting that flagship-like experience without having to spend flagship-level money. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does the S25 FE sound like something you'd go for if the price hits the sweet spot? Or are you holding out for the full Galaxy S26? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update right here on Drop Tech. See you in the next one.